I think it's this point, like it's 4 years ago or something like that,
Yeah.
maybe 5. It seemed like at that time it would be at least twice as heavy as a ceramic heat shield. Now, since then, the weight of our ceramic heat shield has grown, and then when you factor in the secondary shield, that's additional mass.
Right.
So I don't know. It may not be that big of a difference between actively cooling a heat shield and having ceramic tiles.
Have you seen what Stoke Space out in Washington is working on, where they have it's of course Aerospike's going to come out of my mouth because for some reason Aerospike comes out every time I talk about anything, but it's a Aerospike, but the base plug is actually the active regen heat shield. And so and it's expander cycle. So as it comes back through the atmosphere, it's actually, heat. They're using hydrogen to actively regenerate, and cool the heat shield, and just gets dumped out the nozzles basically as it's going, and that actually also gets some of the gas gets vented out through the middle. So you also have like a boundary layer there too of gaseous helium or hydrogen in the front, and it's being actively regen. I think it's a really cool concept, and I was really impressed. It made me just think about like regen, active regen in a different way, and I thought that was pretty neat. But I know you guys had talked about the transpirational cooling years ago.